Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an M3 steering wheel. Start by ensuring your car is off and the key is out of the ignition. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. This is a crucial step to prevent accidental airbag deployment. After disconnecting, wait at least 10 minutes. This allows the airbag system's capacitors to fully discharge, making the process much safer. Have your Torx T20 driver and a small flathead screwdriver ready. Now let's tackle the airbag module. On the back of your steering wheel, you'll find two small access holes, one on each side. Carefully insert a small flathead screwdriver into each hole. You'll feel a spring clip that needs to be pushed inward to release the airbag. Once both sides are unclipped, gently pull the airbag module forward. There are two electrical connectors. Carefully disconnect them by prying up the small tabs. With the airbags safely removed, you'll see the large central bolt holding the steering wheel in place. You'll need a 22mm socket to loosen and remove this bolt. Before you fully remove the wheel, it's a good idea to mark its position on the steering column. This helps ensure proper alignment when reinstalling. Also, check for any additional electrical connectors or wires that might still be attached to the steering wheel itself and disconnect them carefully. Once the main bolt is out and all connectors are free, you can now gently pull the steering wheel straight off the spline shaft. Be careful not to rotate the clock spring, which is the component behind the wheel. This can cause issues with your horn and airbag system. Store your steering wheel and airbag in a safe, clean place. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring all connections are secure and the main bolt is torqued correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.